Hello everyone, I am here to presenting my presentation. Let me start my presentation. Title of my micro project: Prepare a report on supply chain of Amazon. My name is Amruta Sanjay Pisar. My enrollment number is 1601290178 and roll number 3559. Second, introduction of Amazon. Amazon is known for its distribution of well-established industries through technological innovation and mass scale. It is the world's largest online marketplace, AI assistant provider, and cloud computing platform as measured and market capitalization. Amazon is the largest internet company in the world. It is the second largest private employer in the United States and one of the world's most valuable companies. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in Bellevue, Washington in July 1904. In 2015, Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer in the United States by market capitalization. In 2017, Amazon acquired Whole Foods Market for $13.4 billion, which vastly increased Amazon's presence as a brick and mortar retailer. In 2018, Bezos announced that its two-day delivery service, Amazon Prime, had surpassed 10 million subscribers worldwide. Third contains aim of the project. First, to study about the supply chain, to study about Amazon, to understand the process planning of Amazon, and to understand the management of Amazon supply chain. Fourth slide, brief description of project. Amazon is a US electronic commerce and cloud computing company. Their headquarters are based in Seattle, Washington, and they are the largest internet-based retailer in the United States. Amazon was one of the first companies that started selling books online. Currently, their range of products doesn't stop there. They also sell music, video games, shoes, clothing, luggages, and many other accessories. Amazon offer about everything you can think of. Their variety in offers and products, along with their customer driven shopping and recommendations, is a hit with customers. Their supply chain goes from the lowest level of inventory through the logistics of the order itself all the way up to an outstanding description chain of their products in an international scale. Next, four slide, Amazon supply chain simplified. First, standard shipping order. Second, far away fulfillment center. Next, US postal center. And for you, same day. Second, same day order full new nearby fulfillment center, sortation center, US postal service. And you. And third, prime now order city storefront store package, crowdsource delivery. And for you. Next slide, six slide, literature review. 39, after extensive research on Amazon as an organization, it is a unanimous among all of the sources that Amazon's employees have a difficult experience working for Amazon. In the article, How a Toxic Workplace Could Literally Destroy Your Health, the author talks about how miserable many employees are that work for Amazon. This article sums up the reasons why Amazon is difficult to work for. One of the issue could be linked back to Jeff Bezos, Amazon CEO, who completely controls Amazon culture. Jeff Bezos is the leader who pushes all of his employees to work exceptionally hard. Jeff Bezos is a powerful leader who pushes the idea of the customer comes first and is the most important thing to Amazon. Every employee knows that pleasing the customer is their number one objective. In the article, How People Who Work for Amazon Really Feel, a former employee for more than 5 years with Amazon mentions how she feels about the job. Next, 7, actual procedure followed. First, I collect information about a project. Second, I ask to teacher about how to make report. Third, I collect resources of project. And four, I make report on our project. And five, I check that report. Next, output of the micro project. Study about Amazon supply chain industry. Second, study how to plot process. Third, study different kind of operations in the industry. Next, skill develop learning out of this micro project. First, I understand the supply chain of Amazon. Second, I understand the importance of supply chain. I learn about how to plot process. Next, applications of this microprocessor means applications of Amazon. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. Second, Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, Amazon Relational Database Service, Amazon RDS, Amazon Simple Queue Service, Amazon SQS. Next, area for future improvement. Area for future improvement of Amazon Prime as the hub of the wheel. Second, executions. Third, geographic expansion. Four, fuel for small businesses. Five, artificial intelligence. And six, healthcare. Next reference https://wikipedia.org https://www.aboutamazon.com. Then thank you for watching my presentation.